and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a product review with me again, and that is Smart Curlers. These are basically to be used to curl your hair without using heat, and you can just keep them overnight on your hair and you just wake up and then you have curly hair. But you guys already know I have very curly wavy kind of hair, and especially in this humid weather my hair gets super frizzy and everything. But still, since I have been holding this like forever to review, so I'm just gonna do it on my hair anyways. And I did try to straighten my hair, and as you guys can see, still my hair is not completely straight because of this humid weather. I really can't help it. No matter what product I use, no matter what brush I use, my hair just never stays straight. For that, I'm jealous of everyone who has straight hairs out there. I'm just going to show you what this thing is and how it looks like. This basically, there are three kinds of packets that you can get, and the link will be in the description box just if you're curious and you want to check it out right away. The link will be in the description box and you can check it out there. You can get it on Amazon for just like about $4.99 or $5.99. I don't remember exactly, but you can check it in the description box. The one that I got is ideal for medium to long hair, and when I got this I had long hair, if you guys remember that. That's when I got it, so for that it really worked well. But ever since I have shortened my hair, I just could not get this one to work, so that's why I'm gonna try something different this time and something like a different technique to do this. So let's just see, and that's why I straightened my hair as well yesterday. So yeah, it is also ideal for layered hair, and in this multi-size pack what you get is 6-inch curlers 4 pieces and 4-inch curlers 6 pieces. So this is basically just the length of the curlers that they are trying to say. So these are the 4-inch, and these come with this strap. It has velcro on one side, that is the end of this strap, and it also has velcro at the bottom of this foam cylinder piece. So this is what it is, and the longest piece that you get in this is something like this. So basically this is the difference, 4-inch and the 6-inch pieces. The reason why you can sleep on it is because it has foam. So as you guys can see, it is very comfy and pillow-like. So you can basically just sleep on it and you won't even feel a thing. But yeah, it might just feel like you have a lot of pillows under you, but yeah, it really doesn't matter. Yeah, so let's just get into it on what you have. I have shampooed my hair. I have straight hair right now, almost straight hair. And yeah, I don't have any other product on my hair. So yeah, let's get started. First, comb your hair thoroughly. There should not be any knots. Since I'm going to be making a ponytail next, you need your hair as straightly tied back as possible, and then tie it in a ponytail with a rubber band. Now this way my hair will stay straight till the part where I'm going to be tying the ponytail. So make sure that you tie it as well. And as you can see, my ponytail is done. Now I'm gonna use this water spray and I'm gonna spray my hair, just the ponytail wet. I'm just gonna wet it, and yeah, I'm wetting her as well. So yeah, just wet your hair. It should be just enough to do the styling. It should not be super drippy wet. First I'm gonna section my hair and take one section at a time, and then using this roller I'm just gonna wrap it around it, just so that the velcro part is gonna stay at the bottom side and the tying part should start from the top. And just stick it in the end, just stick the velcro parts together like this. The curler should stay vertical and not horizontal. Just make sure that you're wrapping it quite tight, because since it's a foam based curler, it has a foam inside, it's gonna get squeezed when you roll around it. So that's why you want it as tight as possible. That's why you have to wrap the hair super tight. Keep on doing it. Make sure that you are taking good enough sections. If you want super dense curls, then you need to take smaller section of hair, but since I don't want that, I'm gonna just take enough amount of 1 inch or so, and then I'm just gonna wrap it around. Keep doing it and finish rolling up all your hair. So guys, once done, you can just leave it like this. It's gonna dry up in like about 2 hours maximum. It's gonna be perfectly dry. So yeah, I'll just see you after it's dry, and then I'll share with you how it looks. Okay guys, it's been a long time since I have left these to dry, and I feel like it's dry, so I'm just gonna open it up and see how they are, because it's about 10 o'clock right now and I have lots of work and I gotta sleep as well. So now I'm just gonna open them one by one, and as you guys can see, this is how you are supposed to open it and release it as well. And as you guys can see, the curls came out really bouncy and nice. So yeah, this is how it should look, and I'm pretty satisfied with how it looks right now. I'm just gonna keep opening the curlers one by one, and then you'll see how it goes. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is how it looks, and I think it looks really nice. I really have to open it up to see how it actually looks when it's open. If you want the curls to stay, you have to put on some setting spray or something like that, because the curls are gonna get loose pretty soon if you don't put it. That's how the curls work, especially if you have thick and heavy hair like mine. This is how my hair turned out to be. I feel like it came out really nice, although I am quite habitual of my wavy hair, and this is how they look. You know how previously it looked, it was quite straight, and I feel like I really did get a right number of curls, but because my hair is super frizzy, you guys can't really see, but because I did pin my hair and I did make the ponytail, I don't have any curl at the top. That is what I like the most, because if I had curls at the top, it would have been very frizzy and would have been like complete waste of time. I feel like really good. It's actually really nice looking, you know, and it's, you know, bouncy as well. So I feel like it's really looking good. Product that I use, I've already showed you guys. The link will be in the description box. I'm pretty sure everyone is going to be getting different experience with the colors. If you want to try it out, do check it out, do buy it, and share with me how it went with you. If you have super straight hair, then it would go really well for you, but since I have wavy already, so yeah, this is how I got. Hope you guys liked this video, guys. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on that notification bell button, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.